welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it is the number 139. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast with Barge and Air. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 139. If you would like to see the previous 138, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And of course, guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about the dollhouses of Miss Miles. And it shows some pictures of them here. And of course, like always, it marks out each different piece in the dollhouse, which is shown here. And well, let's continue on. Here are more pictures of that dollhouse. And okay guys, so you tell me, what do you guys think about this collection? Tell me down in the comments below. You know I love to see the comments from you. It might take me a bit to reply, but I always reply. So I want to hear what you guys think of this collection. Are you looking forward to finishing it with me? Because I really am looking forward to being able to finally piece everything together and finally have this big, beautiful dollhouse. I'm really excited about it, guys. And then that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse. How it will look once we have it complete. And well, that's the end of that. And now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have our new addition to our dollhouse. Let's just open this up. Alright. Okay, so here is our new little bench. It's very cute. It has this nice little cushion here on the top with a nice little pattern of diamonds and rectangles. Looks very cute. And then here we have like a nice engraving. Very cool. You guys tell me, what do you think about our new little table, or not table, I should say stool? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever it's your new live stream. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, all of that linked down in the description below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Casa de Muñecas. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.